let's get prepped for the holidays. And if you're a garment decorator, stop what you're doing because I've got 3 products you've got to add to your e-commerce site today. What's up everyone, I'm Kelly Walters and today we're going over the 3 products you've got to add onto your e-commerce site, whether it be for the holidays or any time in general. Specifically, we are going to be decorating with some holiday logos, but just know you could really add these at any time of the year. So let's go ahead and dive in, that way you can start making more on your site. All right, so first up, which probably a lot of you already have added on, is just a standard crew neck. Now, what we're really going to focus on is the phrase, the type of print, and of course the all over large size. Now, this is made with a goof-proof screen printed transfer from Transfer Express, but it's really, really fun. Phrases, funny sayings, and just type text is really popular right now, and we are noticing more and more graphic tees, large all over print, are emerging more into the market. Now, something like this gives you the ability to do a short-term sale, and what I mean by that is we have a limited supply. If you order by X date, you get for this cost. Anything after that is going to be an additional cost. You are able to keep lower minimums for yourself. You're able to print on demand and have less waste in the back. Now, people are still dressing up for ugly sweater parties, so do not lose out on that market if you're looking for other areas. Now, using our tag-along platen, this is going to give us the ability to decorate the front and the neck. So we want to make sure that our customer is leaving away with the brand, our brand, and in case anybody else wants to purchase from us, then at least they know where to send them. Now, we've already pre-pressed for 5 seconds. We're going to turn around and take our transfer. Going about 4 fingers down. Next, we need to pull up the collar. And then we're going to take our tag. Now, this doesn't have any material information on here. This is just simply our brand logo. Go a little bit firmer on pressure. Now, this is a hot peel, so as soon as this heating element lifts up, we want to make sure we peel away that paper carrier. All right, up next is a Sherpa blanket. Now, you could do a fleece blanket as well, but the Sherpa trend is still here and it's still very prevalent in retail. This particular blanket does extremely well under the press. This is from Boxercraft and it's Q21. There's also a side that way if you do embroidery, you can actually unzip, slide it in, hoop over a different type of platen on your press. But I actually just chose to decorate a corner where all I needed to do was just drape it over my press. Now, we used CAD Cut Soft Flock. This gives us the ability to cut and print on demand and personalize. Wow. So in this particular case, we're getting that same fuzzy feeling with the flock, but we're also adding in that personalization, which is going to increase your order. Give your customer the ability to pick a standard phrase or give them the ability to pick a custom word, font, phrase, whatever. Anything that makes it personalized is automatically going to warrant a higher cost. Now, like I said, if you are going to decorate on blankets, I strongly recommend just how well this is done under the 360 and the auto clam, but test. All you can do is go out, order some of your favorites, test and see how they do if you are heat printing. Now, as far as our blanket goes, there's actually this wonderful pocket. So if you do embroidery or anything else where you would need to thread this over a platen, there is a zipper here that makes this very easy. Now, I'm not doing embroidery. I don't need to worry about stitches, and I'm actually just going to drape this over our press. Now, what we're going to do is take our soft flock that's already been cut. So again, you can have these stocked, have the phrases stocked. All you have to do is go in and change the personalization, or just change the personalization as it comes in. Cut, press, and you're good, and you don't have to worry about stocking anything and it potentially not selling. So soft flock is going to give us this wonderful texture that's going to mimic the Sherpa. Now, this Q21 blanket from Boxercraft works well under the heat press. I've also used the 360 hat press, and again, it heats beautifully. So as you are testing blankets or wanting to offer them, I strongly encourage that you do testing on your own. Now, as you're peeling away the carrier, you can do this two ways. You can peel delicately, and then I'm actually going to go in and press again because this is a really, really high pile. You don't want to wait too long to where that carrier is going to really grab all of that material. But then you also want to make sure that you have a nice and secure print on your blanket. Okay, I'm going to flip that carrier back over, or excuse me, the cover sheet. And we're just going to go for about another 5 seconds. All right, now we have our print that looks like it's actually into the garment, or excuse me, into the blanket. Then of course, when you cuddle with it, when you move it, it is going to separate and of course condense very nicely. All right, now last but not least is a mug. And this may seem just like a generic standard mug, ceramic, yes it is. However, we customized a phrase and then we really added some dimension with this Santa that's got some shades on it. So we made something unique. Now this flex style is just a peel and stick. It does have a really durable and strong 3M adhesive on the back. But instead of doing something flat all over our mug or tumbler, even a water bottle, we added some dimension and really brought this cup to life. Now you could change out the phrase around it, change out the cup color. You could change out going from a Santa to a Christmas tree, to a sled, a reindeer, whatever you would like. But the point is we can make this completely custom, or you can have something standard. Give your customer a standard option, and for a premium, give them the ability to create a one-of-a-kind cup for their friend, mom, family member. It's the perfect gift to give, especially when you've put some thought into the personalization. All right, now before you go, I want you to focus in on really quick that we added a neck label to our sweatshirt. Now, this could be a fun saying, right? Here's another opportunity and location for personalization without completely changing the front. Or you could just add in your business logo. That way people know exactly where to go and shop next time. There's a lot of secret places, whether it be on the inside, down at the bottom, on the sleeve. You could go right under the armpit. You can add some really fun personal phrases that maybe somebody might want to add on as they're checking out. All right, now it's time to get back to work. You've got to go and upload those new products to your site, gain more customers, increase your orders, and increase your profit. I'm Kelly Walters. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Go get creative and happy decorating.